Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to loop or repeat animation in Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you want to create seamless, continuous motion without manually duplicating keyframes, saving you both time and effort in your editing workflow. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where you'll start building your animation before moving into Fusion. Next, navigate to the top left corner and click on Effects, then click Effects again to expand the full effects library. From here, you'll need to locate Fusion composition and drag it directly onto your timeline. Once it's placed, right-click on the Fusion composition and select Open in Fusion page. This transitions you into the powerful node-based compositing environment where the magic happens. Now let's build a simple animation to demonstrate the looping process. Start by dragging a background node into the node editor and connect it to the media out node. This gives you a clean base to work with. Then drag a rectangle node and connect it to the background node. Your setup should now show a basic flow from rectangle to background to media out. With the rectangle node selected, look over to the right side at the inspector panel. Here you'll adjust the center property. First, move the center position to the left side of the frame. Then click the small diamond shape beside center to create your first keyframe. Now move your playhead forward in time and adjust the center property again, this time moving it to the right. You've just created a simple left-to-right animation. To visualize and edit your keyframes more precisely, click Spline at the top of the interface. In the Spline editor, make sure Rectangle 1 is checked, then click the Expand icon next to it. This reveals all the animated parameters for that node. Now look at the bottom of the Spline editor and click the icon that looks like a square with a mouse. This displays your keyframes in the timeline, giving you a clear view of your animation curve. Here's where the looping comes in. At the bottom of the Spline editor, locate and click the loop icon. This instantly puts your animation on a continuous loop, meaning it will repeat from start to finish seamlessly without any gaps. But if you want the animation to repeat in a different way, look to the left side of the loop icon you just clicked. Click that other icon, and now your animation switches to a repeat mode, which plays the animation in a ping-pong style, going forward and then reversing back. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to loop and repeat animations in Fusion inside DaVinci Resolve. This technique works with any animated property, giving you endless creative possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.